I still remember that morning. My father sat quietly on the edge of his bed. He tried to stand but couldn't. His hands pressed against his knees. His face tightened. His legs simply didn't respond. He forced a smile and said, "Maybe I'm just getting old." But deep down, I knew something wasn't right. Just weeks earlier, he was active, walking to the market, making tea on his own, carrying water without help. Now he moved slowly, carefully, as if every step needed planning. There was no pain, no swelling, nothing dramatic, only a strange heaviness in his legs, a quiet loss of balance. His body didn't hurt, but it had clearly changed. Many older adults experience the same thing. They believe it's normal. They blame it on age. But that's not the full story. This kind of weakness often comes from muscle loss, a slow, silent condition called sarcopenia. It doesn't show up suddenly. There's no warning sign, no clear discomfort. But one day you realize you no longer walk as fast. You hesitate before using the stairs. You push off your knees just to stand. You feel off balance while crossing the room. Most people shrug it off. They think it's just part of getting older. But in truth, it's a quiet signal. A message from your body: strength is fading. The good news? You can change that. If you understand what's happening, you can rebuild what's been lost. Muscle doesn't just disappear overnight. It fades, quietly, month after month, year after year. And most people don't even notice until it's already taken something important, like the ability to climb stairs, rise from a chair, or stay steady while walking. This slow loss of strength is called sarcopenia. It happens to almost everyone after 60. According to the American Geriatric Society, adults lose about 1 to 3% of their muscle mass every year after age 60. That may sound small, but over 5 years, that adds up to 15% less strength, especially in the legs. And here's what makes it worse. You don't need to be sick. You might still eat 3 meals a day. You could feel fine in every other way, but your muscles are slowly shrinking. Why does this happen? There are 3 key reasons. First, vitamin loss. As we age, our stomach produces less acid. That makes it harder to absorb key nutrients. Over time, low levels of vitamin D3, B12, and B1 begin to affect muscle function, especially in the legs. Second, poor circulation. Blood flow slows down with age. When your legs don't receive enough oxygen and nutrients, they tire quickly, they cramp, they feel heavy. It's not because you're lazy. It's because your body isn't delivering what your muscles need to work properly. Third, less movement. Many seniors avoid stairs. They sit more. They walk less. This reduces muscle use, and when muscles aren't used, they shrink. Even if you stay active, it won't be enough without the right nutrients to rebuild what you lose. But there's hope. Studies show that when you restore these 3 essential vitamins, your legs can regain strength in just a matter of days. If your body had a power switch for strength, balance, and movement, vitamin D would be that switch. Most people know D helps with bone health, but what they don't know is that it also powers your muscles, nerves, and coordination, especially as you age. Here's the problem. After 60, your body produces less D3. You spend less time in the sun, your skin gets thinner, your liver and kidneys slow down. That means the systems that depend on D3, like muscle contraction and nerve signaling, begin to shut down quietly. You might not even notice it at first, but over time, simple things feel harder. Climbing stairs becomes tiring. Standing too long makes your legs burn. Your steps feel heavy. You lose balance when turning quickly. It's not just age. It's your body begging for D3. Vitamin D3 helps your body absorb calcium for bone strength. But more importantly, it keeps your muscles responsive, your nerves firing correctly, and your movements stable and fluid. One study in the UK showed that people over 65 who took just 800 IU of vitamin D3 daily for 5 days improved their leg strength by nearly 20%. Other studies found similar results: better balance, fewer falls, and faster walking speed. It's not magic, it's science, and it works fast. Many people don't know they're low in D. They just think they're slowing down. But if you often feel wobbly on stairs, tired after walking, or cramp at night, your body may be quietly telling you, "I'm missing something." Here are some of the most common signs of D3 deficiency. Weakness in your legs, especially when climbing. Fatigue from just standing or walking. Cramps that wake you up at night, slow reaction time, or trouble making quick turns. Pain in your knees, hips, or heels that seems to have no clear cause. Feeling off balance or moving cautiously like something might go wrong. And for some, trouble sleeping, irritability, or mild anxiety. These may sound small, but they add up. And they're not just old age, they're warning signs that your system is underpowered. The science backs this up. A study from Harvard found that older adults with low D3 levels were 40% more likely to fall or be hospitalized. Another study in China found that even light activity combined with D3 supplements led to better leg strength, fewer falls, and faster walking in seniors. Why? Because D3 activates your muscles and joints. It supports nerve communication, reduces inflammation in tissues, and improves the way your muscles respond. Think of it like recharging a tired battery. Once D3 is back in balance, your legs feel stronger, your steps lighter, and your movements smoother. This one vitamin can change everything if you give your body the right dose at the right time. Have you ever felt like your legs weren't listening to you? You try to step forward, but your body hesitates. You stand up, but feel like you might fall. You walk, but each step feels uncertain. It's not weakness, it's disconnection. And often, the missing link is vitamin B12. Most people know B12 helps with memory and energy. But what they don't realize is that B12 is essential for communication between your brain and muscles, especially in your lower body. When your B12 levels drop, signals from your brain become delayed or distorted. It's like talking on a phone with poor reception. What you say doesn't come through clearly. The result? Tingling or numbness in your feet, a sense that your legs are asleep or disconnected. Trouble balancing, even on flat ground. Feeling unsure when walking, especially outdoors or on uneven surfaces. Needing to hold onto walls or furniture for support. And sometimes, unexplained mood swings, forgetfulness, or mental fog. These aren't just random symptoms. They're classic signs of B12 deficiency, and they often appear gradually, which is why many people assume they're just getting older. But the truth is, this is preventable. You might be eating well. You might even take a multivitamin now and then. So how could you be low in B12? The answer lies in how your body changes with age. As you get older, your stomach produces less acid. This acid is essential to break down food and extract B12. Without it, even if you eat enough meat or dairy, your body may not absorb what it needs. And if you take acid blockers, antacids, or metformin for diabetes, your risk increases even more. These medications interfere with B12 absorption. Vegetarians and people who eat little meat or fish are also at higher risk, because B12 is found almost entirely in animal-based foods. Even if your diet is healthy, you can still be deficient and not know it. But the effects are real. A study from Oxford University found that seniors with low B12 walked more slowly, had poorer balance, and were more than twice as likely to fall within the next year. Another clinical trial gave older adults 1,000 micrograms of B12 daily for 8 weeks. The results were clear. Less numbness in the feet, better control over leg movements, quicker reflexes, more energy and sharper thinking. So how does B12 actually work? It helps create the protective coating around your nerves called myelin. This coating keeps signals fast and accurate. It also supports red blood cell production, which delivers oxygen to your muscles. Without B12, your nerves slow down, muscles misfire, and your legs start to feel foreign, like they aren't truly yours. The good news? Methylcobalamin, the active form of B12, is easy to absorb and acts quickly. Doctors recommend 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day for adults over 60, especially those with symptoms or known risk factors. It's available as dissolvable tablets, sprays, or sublingual drops. And because B12 boosts alertness, it's best taken with lunch, not too late in the day. Unlike many vitamins, B12 is water-soluble, so any extra simply passes out of your body. It's safe, effective, and one of the easiest ways to protect your balance, memory, and movement. If vitamin D is the switch and B12 is the communication line, then vitamin B1 is the fuel that keeps the engine running. Also known as thiamine, vitamin B1 helps turn the food you eat into usable energy, especially for your muscles. Every step you take, Every time you stand, climb, or stretch, your muscles need energy in the form of ATP. And to produce ATP efficiently, your body depends on vitamin B1. Here's what happens when you don't have enough. Your legs feel heavy. You tire quickly, even after small movements. You experience muscle cramps, especially in your calves or feet. Going upstairs feels like dragging weights. You feel winded after walking short distances. And mentally, you might feel drained or unmotivated to move at all. These symptoms don't always scream vitamin problem. But for many seniors, low B1 is the missing piece behind their fatigue and leg weakness. So why does this happen? As we age, our bodies absorb B1 less effectively. If you take diuretics for high blood pressure or heart problems, you lose more B1 through urine. Even common medications like antibiotics or metformin can interfere with B1 levels. And if you drink alcohol, even in small amounts, it blocks B1 absorption. Many seniors also eat fewer whole grains or legumes, which are key dietary sources of this vitamin. The result? A slow, steady loss of energy. Not just in your legs, but across your whole system. One study from Tokyo found that over 30% of adults over 65 had low B1 levels. These individuals walked slower, had weaker legs, and tired more easily. After just 7 days of B1 supplementation, the majority reported more endurance, less pain, and smoother movement. Doctors often recommend 50 to 100 milligrams of B1 daily for older adults with leg fatigue, nerve issues, or unexplained weakness. It's best taken in the morning with food, especially something that includes a bit of protein or fat. Avoid coffee or tea at the same time, as they may block absorption. Like B12, vitamin B1 is water-soluble, so any extra is flushed out safely. But when it's missing, your muscles are running on empty. Give your body the fuel it needs, and you'll be surprised how quickly your strength returns. You now know what each vitamin does. Vitamin D turns the power back on. Vitamin B clears the connection between brain and body. Vitamin B1 fuels your muscles to move with strength and ease. But here's the key. It's not just about taking the right vitamins. It's also about taking them at the right time, in the right way. Let's make it simple. Morning. Start your day with D3 B1. Take vitamin D3 with breakfast, especially if it includes healthy fats like eggs, avocado, yogurt, or olive oil. Because D3 is fat soluble, it absorbs best this way. Pair it with vitamin B1. This boosts your energy early in the day and helps your muscles stay strong and alert. It's like giving your engine both the key and the fuel before you drive. Avoid coffee or black tea right before or after, as they can interfere with B1 absorption. Midday, add B12 for mental and physical balance. Take vitamin B12 with lunch or early afternoon. Why? Because B12 promotes mental clarity and alertness. Taking it too late can affect your sleep. Sublingual tablets, dissolved under the tongue, or sprays are often better absorbed for seniors. And remember, don't take it with tea or caffeine. A simple daily example. Breakfast, a boiled egg plus a few spoons of Greek yogurt. Take vitamin D3 and vitamin B1. Lunch, steamed vegetables, grilled salmon or tofu. Take vitamin B12. That's it. No intense workouts, no expensive treatments, just the right nutrients, given at the right moment. Together, these 3 vitamins work like a well-coordinated team. They bring back strength, stability, and confidence, one step at a time. And within a few days, many people report real results. Lighter legs, easier movements, less wobbling, better sleep, and most of all, a feeling of being in control again. Vitamins can change your life, but like any powerful tool, they need to be used wisely. Just because something is natural doesn't mean more is better. In fact, taking too much of a good thing can lead to problems, especially as we get older. Here are a few important safety tips. 1. Don't double the dose. You might think, if 1,000 IU helps, maybe 2,000 will work faster. But that's not how your body works. With vitamin D3, too much over time can raise calcium levels in your blood. This may cause nausea or constipation, kidney stones, even irregular heartbeat in sensitive people. For most adults over 60, the safe daily dose of D3 is 800 to 2,000 IU, unless your doctor advises otherwise. 2. Watch for hidden health issues. Your liver and kidneys process excess vitamins. If you have chronic kidney disease, fatty liver, or are on multiple medications, even normal doses can build up. That's why it's always a good idea to check with your doctor before starting a new supplement. Avoid mixing too many vitamins at once. Take blood tests every 6 to 12 months to monitor your levels. 3. Understand that more doesn't mean better. Vitamin B1 and B12 are water soluble. Your body flushes out what it doesn't need. That's why they're generally very safe, even at higher doses. But still, stay alert. If you feel tingling in your hands or feet or experience headaches, changes in mood, or digestion, pause and talk to a professional. 4. Read your multivitamin labels. If you already take a multivitamin, check the amounts of D3, B1, and B12. Many senior formulas contain lower doses than what your body truly needs to rebuild strength. Make sure you're getting 800 to 2000 IU of D3, 500 to 1000 milligrams of B12, methylcobalamin form, 50 to 100 milligrams of B1, thiamine, if you have fatigue or weakness. The bottom line? Smart supplementation is powerful, but only when done right, so start small. Monitor your body. Work with your doctor if you're managing health conditions. Because when used correctly, these vitamins don't just support your legs. They support your independence, your safety, and your peace of mind. Let's pause for a moment. If your legs have felt heavy, if standing up has become harder, if balance seems uncertain, and your steps feel shaky, you are not alone. And more importantly, you are not broken. You're simply missing something your body used to make with ease. And now, it just needs help. The decline you felt isn't just aging, it's your body whispering, "I'm running low. Please refill me." And we now know how. Vitamin D3 reignites strength in your muscles, bones, and nerves. Vitamin B12 reconnects your brain to your body so your legs move with confidence. Vitamin B1 gives your muscles the energy to carry you forward day after day. Individually, they're powerful, but together they form a simple, safe, and proven trio that can restore your balance, your strength, your sense of freedom. All it takes is the first step. Check your levels. Talk to someone who listens. Start your morning with intention, not fear. And most of all, don't wait. Because when you take that step, you're not just helping your legs move, you're moving your life forward, stronger, safer, and with purpose. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these vitamins? Have you felt a change in your strength, balance, or energy? Let's share our stories, because the more we learn together, the more we heal together. Fuel your body, support your legs, and keep going, one powerful step at a time.